Welcome back, traders. Thanks for joining me here today. In this short video, I will show you how to implement the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator to build a powerful trading strategy in the market. I will also show you my 100 times backtested result in a row based on the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator trading strategy concept. What's the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator all about? The Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator is an overlay trading indicator that traders can use to manage the positional risk of ongoing trades in the market. To apply the indicator on the chart, type the Bjorgum AutoTrail and select the Bjorgum AutoTrail EP by Bjorgum. Unlike the other trading indicators, the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator will not automatically appear on the trading chart. Instead, traders need to manually choose a point to begin to start the trailing from a swing high or swing low on the trading chart, and which is the best ideal option. This option tends to provide some protection for a stop by placing it under support for a buy trade or above resistance for a sell trade. The trail will automatically plot along with the direction of price movements, and the offset is a factor of the distance from price action selected by the crosshairs. If the point of trail is placed above price action, the script will plot a short trail. If the point of trail is placed below, it will trail for a long position. Let's left-click on the setting options on the trading indicator at the left-hand side of the screen chart here. Selecting this will pop up the Parameter Settings tab. Under the Input option here, we can see the components which make up the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator. These are the several other trail types other than price-based. There is the ATR length, the ATR multiplier, the percent trail, also the look back. Here's the stop color. Let's modify the long trail color to be green. The red color trail is okay for short. The percent trail here offsets the trail as a percent from close. The percent trail creates a hard stop that is placed at the crosshair value. Then, once the distance is exceeded by the percentage specified, the trail begins. There are two more volatility-based trails. The PSAR trail, which can provide quicker and tighter stops that accelerate with the trend locking in gains faster. The second is the ATR trail, that keeps a distance from price action as a function of volatility. How can we use the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator to manage risks for buy and sell signals in the market? Once we figure out a sell signal in the market, we need to pinpoint the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator at the high of the price action sell entry candlestick selected by the crosshairs. We can then proceed further to initiate the sell trade setup. Next is to watch the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator trail price down if the market moves in the direction of our sell anticipation. The Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator will pop up short stop on the screen whenever price makes a bullish pullback and it hits the red trail line. Whenever you see this, it's a signal for us to close the short trade. To use the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator risk management tool for a buy signal in the market, we need to pinpoint the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator at the low of the price action buy entry candlestick selected by the crosshairs. We then initiate the buy entry. Next is to watch the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator trail price up if the market moves in the direction of our buy anticipation. The Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator will pop up long stop on the screen whenever price makes a bearish pullback and it hits the green trail line. whenever you see this, it's a signal for us to close the long trade. Now that we have known how to implement this trading strategy for a buy and sell setup in the market, it's time we proceed to my 100 times backtested trading result with the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator risk management trading strategy concept based on the 4-hour time frame on the Australian dollars paired against the American USD. After executing 100 trades for 5 days in the Forex market with the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator risk management trading strategy concept based on the 4-hour time frame on the Australian dollars paired against the American USD, I implemented the 1-to-3 ratio. On each trade, I risk $1,000 for a profit target of $3,000. That was on 100 trades for 5 days. I got 60 wins and 40 losses. My record of most consistent wins in a row is 6. Most losing streak in a row is 4. The gain on the trading account is 23%. As we can see, a 23% gain on the trading account proves that the Bjorgum AutoTrail indicator is an effective and reliable risk management tool that traders can combine with other trading tools to build a powerful trading strategy. In order to have a higher winning trading record with this trading indicator, make sure you apply it to trade a trending market and not to trade in a ranging market. Also, practice and perfect this trading strategy on a demo account before proceeding to trade it on a live trading account. Good luck in your trading adventures!